Snowpocolypse 2025 just begun. Look. And of course, I got to go out here and feed and water the chickens and do all the stuff I do every day. But as many of you know, I started working as an Amazon delivery driver. And Amazon is closed today and tomorrow due to the weather. And I just know that there are people whose anxiety is going to be through the roof waiting on their daily delivery of Amazon packages. So we should all take a moment and pray for those people that they make it through this difficult time. Anyways, there's the chickens. There's the snow. So for this area, they're calling for anywhere from like 1 to 45 inches of snow. We never know. Anyways, y'all have a great day. And as always, God bless you. God bless your families. God bless your homesteads. And now they are all better for a few hours.